Hey guys, it's Keisha from Imperial Custom Printing. How you doing today? Happy Monday. Okay, so I want to do this quick video where I just show you how I use Adobe Illustrator and Canva to create a quick little mock-up. This is not what I do for like full-on job proofs. This is just like little quick mock-ups I can do for people. So let's just hop right into it. So I'm going to present my screen here. Okay. And we're gonna do that right there. Okay. So there I am. So let's go over to Adobe Illustrator. So I have an order coming up that is gonna be, this is the back of it and this is the front. So this is going on the front in white. This is going on the back. This one here, not all of this, but this one that's bolded like that with the hollowed out text behind it. That is what's going on the back. So this is what I do on this end. So as you can see, this artwork is already vectorized. I got this art vectorized from a guy that I use on Fiverr. He only charges me like, I don't know. It depends on how difficult it is, but it's about $10 to $25 usually. So yeah. So let's take this one. It's already here and it's in this. So this is what I do. Usually if you open something, it looks like, oops, not like that. It looks like this. So it's on a white background. So what I do, and what I'm going to have to do, this is going to be actually in white. So I'm actually going to take this. This is what I do for myself. I open a new 15 by 15. I hit paste. I do the show transparency grid so that I can see it when I turn it white. Okay, so barely. I know what I did. Show bound. There we go. So another thing I do is rulers. This is just gives me an idea where I'm at. Okay, so this is what I do. You can see it. Just make this bigger, maybe a little bit, just so you guys can see it. You can see it enough to make sure it looks good for you. And then I do File, Export As, and I do it as a PNG. It automatically does it, and I just say chest logo, and then I put PNG. That's for me to know. And then I hit export. I make sure that this is on transparent because sometimes it can be like that. You don't want that. You want it on transparent always, and 300 ppi. Hit OK. Now I'm going to take this over here, just this. Oh, I got to ungroup it. So now I'm going to take this, hit copy. I'm going to take this over here. I'm going to remove this one. Oops. I'm going to remove that. That's gone. I'm going to hit paste. So let's back it up a little bit. Okay. And I want this to also be white. Okay. And then we're going to hit File, Export As. As you can see, that one was vectorized too. So here to help, PNG, export. Again, transparent. It shouldn't change. So, okay. So now I have the transparency versions for that. Like, not transparency versions, but the versions that have no background. So now I can go put it on a t-shirt. So let's go over to Canva. And we're going to create a design. I usually just use, oh, it's right there. I'm still getting used to the new Canva thing. So I'm going to hit Instagram post square. This always works. And then depending on the color of t-shirt, like I'll make the background gray, I'll make it white, or I'll leave it white, or I'll make it some other color. Sometimes black. It just depends. So since these are black t-shirts, I like to make the background a really light gray just because it makes it look good in my head. So then we're going to go to elements over here in Canva. Or actually, no, not elements. We're going to go to photos. And I have a black t-shirt right there. I use these often. So So yeah, we have, I just make it a little bigger like that. Just make sure it's in the middle. Okay. Then we will go to uploads, upload files, and then we will find the one I was working on here. Hold on. I gotta find it. Okay, and I'm gonna just choose both of these PNGs I just made and upload them like that. Okay, so they're both there. They should be. Yeah, there we go. So here's the chest logo. All right. Sometimes, I mean, and you can be as picky about this as you want to be. I'm very picky, and sometimes things don't line up. I'm not even going to print that big, so that doesn't even make sense. Make sure it looks good to you. Make sure that that's good enough for me. So we're going to go share, because this is it right here. That's how easy it was to make a chest mock-up. Now, I'm going to have to go do another version of this because I just remembered. I got to do the back. But if you're just doing a chest print, that's done. You just hit download as a PNG. And now you have a perfectly good mock-up that looks good. It's going to open just like that. And boom, there it is. Looks great. So that is an easy way to create mock-ups using Adobe Illustrator and Canva. So that was it for this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Make sure to like and follow. Tell your friends to follow my channel. And I hope this helped. I'll catch you guys later. See ya.